Hello dear students. Today we will talk about cell wall. Cell wall is non-living rigid structure which is present in plant cell and it is discovered by Robert Hooke. Basically Robert Hooke discovered the cell wall which was found in a dead form. It is basically present in the outside of the plant cell. It is rigid membrane and it acts as like a protecting layer and it gives strength and rigidity to a particular plant cell. This is the main feature of the cell wall. Clear? Now after that, the cell wall found in plants, fungi, prokaryotes, and protists also, and it is absent in the mycoplasma or papilo. Now, in prokaryote cell wall, basically, in prokaryotic cell wall is made up of by peptidoglycan. प्रोकैरियोट्स जो होते हैं उनकी सेल वॉल क्या होती है, पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन्स की बनी रहती है. फॉर एग्जांपल बैक्टीरिया, दिस पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन इज मेड अप ऑफ टू टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स, पेप्टाइड एंड ग्लाइकन. Peptide is a type of protein and glycan is a type of carbohydrate. After that, fungi cell wall. Fungi cell wall is made up of chitin and chitin is a homopolysaccharide. And this homopolysaccharide is made up of different types of N-acetyl glucosamines. After that, plant cells. Plant cell wall is made up of by cellulose. And cellulose is the most abundant thing in all over the world. दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा मात्रा में पाए जाने वाला जो पदार्थ है वो cellulose ही है. This cellulose is homopolysaccharide of glucose. What is the meaning of homopolysaccharide of the glucose? Have a look. There are different types of glucose molecules. 6,000 dextrose glucose molecules, whenever they combine together, remember it, 6,000 dextrose glucose molecule, whenever they combine together, then they convert into the one cellulose molecule. And different types of cellulose molecules further convert into micelles or micelles. Further, these micelles convert into microfibrils, and these all microfibrils are converted into macrofibers. After that, these all macrofibrils are arranged in the form of hemicellulose. So, in this way, the 6,000 testo-glucose molecules are converted into the hemicellulose. So, this types of structure is present in the plant cell wall in the case of cellulose. Apart from that, plant cell is also made up of, now what is hemicellulose? Hemicellulose, it is a heteropolysaccharide because it is made up of glucose, xylose, मोनोज एंड एरिबिनोज. ग्लूकोज, xylose, मोनोज और एरिबिनोज टाइप की बहुत सारी जो आपकी शुगर होती हैं, whenever they combine together then they convert into the hemicellulose. That's why hemicellulose is a heteropolysaccharide. यानी इसमें तरह तरह की आपकी क्या होती हैं, पॉलीसेकेराइड्स होती हैं. Now after that, plant cell wall is also made up of by pectin. Pectin is also the heteropolysaccharide because it is made up of glucuronic acid, and galacturonic acid. Glucuronic and galacturonic acid, whenever they combine together, then they convert it to the heteropolysaccharide pectin. After that, plant cell wall is also made up of water, lipids, proteins, and some extra substances are also present in plant cell wall. For example, cutin, suberin, pectin, and lignin. These all types of substance, whenever they deposit in the cell wall, they make the cell wall very, very rigid. So these are the basic structural fundamental things which are related to the cell wall.